little artists! Are you ready to dive into a world of imagination and draw some amazing make tools together? Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's begin with a bold black marker. First, we'll draw a lovely heart-shaped makeup box with a shiny mirror inside. Start by drawing a big heart shape, just like this. Next, let's add a cute makeup brush. Draw a long handle with soft bristles at the top. Voila! Cool! Now, let's add some color with a bright lipstick. Draw a cylinder shape with a slanted top. Perfect!
Awesome!
Moving on, let's sketch a nail polish bottle. Draw a tall, slim shape with a cap on top. Fantastic!
Wow!
Don't forget the lip gloss. Draw a small bottle with a shiny cap. Great job!
Cool!
Last but not least, let's add a lip gloss brush. Draw a tiny handle with soft bristles at the end. Wonderful!
Awesome!
Our drawing is complete, but let's make it stand out even more. Take your black marker and trace over the lines, making them bold and sharp. Aw, that looks much better. Now, it's time to add some color. Grab your color pens and let's make our make tools pop. Red color. Orange color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. color. Yellow color. Wow, look at our beautiful make tools. You all did an amazing job today, exploring your creativity and bringing these tools to life. Keep practicing, and remember, there are no limits to your imagination. Until next time, keep creating and keep smiling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.